Today I woke up and my power is out. That's not normal. That's not usual. Now I'm getting coffee. Mirabella's like, let's go. Let's have fun. That Mirabella wanted a snack, so I went to go get bananas. And when I was getting bananas, I noticed somebody had avocados. So I thought, oh, I should get some avocados. And then the man gave me a recipe for avocados. He said he put like a can of condensed milk with a whole bunch of avocados to make a smoothie. And I thought that was kind of interesting. There's some deer out by the lake. Noticing my blood pressure is definitely spiking, and I guess before I thought it was having to do with my blood sugars, the pounding of my heart and stuff, and being in bed. I thought it was my blood sugars because it was like I was eating a lot of carbs and it would happen sometimes. Cute little almost baby toddler feet. His toddler feet. Yeah. So you're a toddler. I don't know when people consider a baby a toddler or a baby. 1 or 2. I like calling you my baby because I think you as a baby until you're like 2. Eating chicken now, huh? Well, the rotisserie chicken is soft or moist enough that it's not too hard to eat. First time I gave you some of that. Recipe would be chicken, water, carrots, half a small avocado, some cabbage, and spinach. It's like I already ate most of it. There's like some avocado there, but yeah, and then I'm having mostly decaf coffee. It's like 1 scoop of regular because I had a headache. And then I'm also having some hot water with a whole small lemon in it. And Mirabella was enjoying some bites of the rotisserie chicken and the carrots and the spinach. And yeah, she's been just playing and happy mostly. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's what this night is looking like basically. And oh man, the power was out till I think it was around 8 or something. It was like it went out at 10 in the morning. And yeah, I'm thinking like I almost put an egg in here, but I realized like my cholesterol is probably high, but I gotta check it to know if it's that. I know my blood pressure is definitely spiking easy from when people, or I just, you know, if anything upsets me or something, which is so different from before. But yeah. Hey, what are you doing? What do you got your hands on? Oh, if you can open the drawer, you'll go through it, huh? She's looking at the cards. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, it's a Bible card, I think, or it says Super Book. It says, all scripture is inspired by God and useful to teach us what is true. It corrects us when we are wrong and reaches us to do what is right. It says, Jesus often taught us in parables, short stories. Well, guess that rounds up our day. Oh yeah, my friend was just saying I should have like a schedule and things that I do to stay not too stressed or something, like exercise and changing some of the things I'm eating, because I was eating such high fat and I guess higher cholesterol. Like my friend was saying that the egg, the yellow part of the egg is a lot of cholesterol, and they can't eat that anymore because they had a heart attack. So it's like, that is, oh man, they were 49 when they had the heart attack, so it was last year, and they were saying they had to change a lot of things. So it's like, okay, I better start changing things too. That's what they were saying. It's like if I'm having high blood pressure, which is obvious a sign of something with my heart probably, or could be diabetes.